Assalamu alaikum, shalom. What's up, Facebook family and friends? Just want to bring you an update from the court proceedings once again. Officer McDonald, he was the leading officer who attacked me. He has lied in his report, claiming that he didn't have on body cam, but the rest of the officers had on body cam, that there was video footage from the gym. He's even went as far as the lie, claiming that the administrator gave him authority to be able to remove. I mean, the lies don't stop. And now none of this stuff can be found. The sheriff just sent over a letter saying that all of a sudden now there's no body cam, but there is a body cam policy, which they were all supposed to have on their body cams. And it begins to upset me because I'm like, where's the integrity, first, of law enforcement? But let's put that aside. Where's the integrity of the chief of law enforcement, which would be the state attorney's office? How would the state attorney office allow lie after lie after lie? And it's all going to come out. People, believe you me, and anybody with common sense know that a guy like myself that has been to federal prison, what would it be for me to take a misdemeanor charge if I would have done something? With the record that I got, if I did something wrong, to cop out to a misdemeanor wouldn't even affect my record. And if you see me fighting a misdemeanor charge this hard, what does that tell you? I didn't do nothing. I'm not about to let a police officer assault me, George Floyd me, and then you all think that I'm going to take the rap for his inappropriate and excessive force behavior. No. That is the craziest thing. That's like modern day lynching. That's like hanging a brother and then everybody walking away and saying it's okay. I'm not doing that. And it's wrong. And it stinks. And anybody from the public defender's office, from judges, from other prosecutors who sit back, stand back quietly and watch this circus go on, knowing that this officer is not credible, knowing that 2 days before he assaulted me, that he punched a student in the forehead. Yeah, we got the records of that. Finally, we got the records of that. And then after my incident, he took a young kid whose father's name is Troy Merricks and twisted his arm behind his back and almost broke it and sprung it. And we got the reports on that. So not only are you dealing with an officer that lied, he's aggressive and he shouldn't be a police officer, and y'all are backing him. And y'all are backing him for Sheriff Reed and Mark Hunter, who has no business getting in Jasper or Hamilton County business. But when it's going to come a day where people are going to get in your business and you're not going to like it. And believe me, my buddy Michael Osteen will be home in about 60 more days or so. And you're not gonna like the end results of information that's gonna be divulged. Because we're gonna be telling the truth. We're gonna be telling the truth. We're gonna be telling the truth. Y'all should have never charged me like you promised John Durrett you weren't gonna do. And you should have did like you said you were going to do down in that Madison case. You said you were tired of the BS from these law enforcement officers getting 1 or 2 days suspension. You had a similar case down in Madison, Florida, and that you were going to go and handle this. And that I had nothing to worry about. Those were your words on speakerphone. Vanessa and other family members heard it because I have learned my lesson to always keep you on speakerphone and somebody beside me from that time when you met with the sheriff at the Richardson Community Center and tried to say that if I use 911 again when I get pulled over, that you would charge me for wrongly abusing and misusing 911, and I had to call you over to a family house, you and Don Kennedy, and Longinae Miles and Vanessa, and I locked you in the house. And I said, ain't nobody leaving this house until we get an understanding that I'm an activist and I'm not going to jail to protect my safety. And you finally agreed that you would never charge me with using 911, and I unlocked the door and I let y'all out. And that was right here on Joe Coney Street. And that's a fact. So don't start telling people you don't know me. Because we got a lot of photos, we got a lot of videos and whatnot that show that you and I know each other. Oh, we know each other. Very deeply, we know each other. I know you in ways that other people don't know you, that you know I know you, that is not even how people know you that know you. So my thing is, let's cut the bull crap. In my case over in Hamilton, in my case in Columbia County, and cut me my check and let me go about my business. Or you run the risk of a lot of lawyers getting disbarred, John Durrett. You run the risk of a lot of judges getting disbarred. And a lot of people are going to lose all those years of college and all those years of degrees, and they're going to lose their families, and they're going to lose their status, and they're going to lose their reputation. Your choice, sir.